everybody? This is a Lamley showcase. We're going to open up some Hot Wheels today, and these Hot Wheels are fantastic. It is the latest release from Hot Wheels car culture. It is Shop Trucks. We previewed these from Dallas. I think I posted it a few weeks ago with Jimmy Lou from Hot Wheels Marketing. We looked at the models. Now it is time to look at the artwork and open these babies up. Let's just get to it right away. These are being found already in US-based Targets. My friend Cole from Cole Trickle Diecast on Instagram found this set for me and handed it over for me to showcase for all of you. So thank you, Cole, for that. But let's go ahead and do this. One of the highlights always of car culture is the artwork. Julian Coyles does it, and he has not failed again. In fact, he has succeeded as he always does. Shop Trucks is obviously the theme. You can see the Hot Wheels logo here. You can see the car culture logo there. Shop Trucks, and then this fantastic art for the custom 62 Chevy pickup. That model is Zamak, and it is pretty. Before we open it up, there's the artwork on the back showing all 5 trucks. Let's go ahead and open this up. Zamak Surfboard. This model has gone through a couple of iterations. Now, I know at least 2. I don't know if there's been a third modification on it. But as you can see, this one has the surfboard in the back. It's an additional piece. That is how this model was originally released. And then, you know, for cost reasons, in the basic range, we saw it change to where the surfboard was molded into the back. Actually, we first saw it without the surfboard. They just removed it. And then we saw the model itself modified. It now has a sunroof and the surfboard modeled into the bed. Kind of. I have a few versions of this one, but it's this original version that I like with the surfboard. This one obviously is going to be part of that, although I just keep all my car culture models together. This one looks really good in Zamak. All right. That's number 1. Number 2. We want to stay focused on the artwork because you guys have seen these models before. This one is the Volkswagen Caddy, number 2 of 5. This one actually has a skateboard molded into the back. Really good on the 4-spoke wheels. Always have, when you see like something Japanese, something European, and then something American, that's always a nice mix. Something classic, something modern. These are mostly classic. The Caddy's a cool casting. This was, Felix Holst was the VP of Hot Wheels for a while, and this was one of the last models he did before he left. He was a big fan of the VW Caddy, and he was also a big skate guy. And so we saw the skateboard in the back. So this one looks really good, and I think this is the first premium version. Number 3, and it will clearly be the star of the set. It is the 83 Chevy Silverado. The Silverado has kind of hit that status. Datsun Wagon, 67 Camaro, other models like that, whenever there's one in the release, it is going to be the first thing to be grabbed. That is going to be the case, or is already the case with this one. Borla Deco. Now, if you remember the preview that we did, the wheels on this are now different, so they clearly changed it. It was an older Real Rider that was on it. This is going to the 5 spokes, I think, was a big improvement for this model. Looks better on those 5 spokes than on the previous wheel. That's the Silverado, but don't underestimate the Brat. This is one of my favorite truck castings. Subaru Brat, it's been premium, it's been basic, started in premium in the custom, something like one of those lines, hot customs or whatever. This is the second time we've seen this one this is the only repeat, I think, in car culture. We saw this in the first truck series in a Zamak color, which I thought was fantastic. This one looks really, really good. The Zamak still tops it for me, but Subi's Off-Road looks really, really cool. Artwork is great. I just see this being a very, very popular set. I know that Eurospeed has kind of gotten mixed reviews, but I've seen it sell still. So that's good. This one, I think, is just going to be gobbled up. All right, number 5. Hot Wheels likes to reserve the fifth slot for a new model. Now, this is not a debut, but it is the newest of the 5. This one is great. Notice another skateboard in the back. Artwork is fantastic. But this is based on Steve Caballero, his actual shop truck. Steve Caballero is a skate. I think I'm saying that right. I hope I Former pro skater, I think, and a brand in his own right. And this is his shop truck. It's actually based on his actual shop truck. So I would say of the 3 releases of the Econoline pickup so far, this one is my favorite. Because it's based on a real truck. I'll take that. Embossed Ford on the back. Skateboard in the bed. But these are fantastic. In Target now, soon to hit Walmart, hobby dealers everywhere. Anyone who wants a set can get it. Tell me what you guys think of this set compared to some of the others. I think it's a winner. Thanks, everybody. Bye.